coders, today we're comparing Replit and Devin, two powerful AI-driven coding tools. Let's break them down and see which one's best for you. First up, we have Replit. It's a cloud-based IDE supporting over 50 programming languages like Python and JavaScript. Replit offers real-time collaboration, AI-powered code suggestions via its Ghostwriter feature and one-click deployment. It's perfect for beginners, students, and teams needing a quick, all-in-one platform for coding, hosting, and learning. Now, Devin. Created by Cognition AI, Devin is an autonomous AI software engineer that writes, debugs, and deploys code. It handles complex tasks like building full apps, generating tests, and integrating tools like GitHub and Slack. It's ideal for pros and teams tackling large-scale projects with minimal manual coding. So, how do they stack up? Replit shines for its user-friendly web-based IDE, great for education and small projects. Devin excels in automation, handling intricate workflows for enterprise-level development. Replit's affordable, starting at around $7 a month, while Devin's pricier at around $500 a month. Choose Replit for simplicity and collaboration, pick Devin for heavy-duty autonomous coding. That's it, guys. Replit for beginners and teams, and Devin for pros. Which one's your pick? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.